Today, we're diving into an exciting and effective way to learn French using digital flashcards. Let's explore how these interactive tools can make learning French both fun and efficient. Learn French with Flashcards is an educational approach designed for Android users to enhance their language skills. This method utilizes digital flashcards to help learners memorize vocabulary, phrases, and essential grammar rules in French. The flashcards typically feature a word or phrase on one side and its translation or meaning on the other, allowing for interactive learning. Many features may be included, such as spaced repetition, which optimizes the review process, ensuring that learners focus on words they struggle with the most. Additionally, some applications may offer audio pronunciations, example sentences, and quizzes to reinforce learning and make the process engaging. This method is particularly effective for visual learners and those looking to build a solid foundation in the French language quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of learning French with flashcards has inspired you to start your language journey. Happy learning!